Have you ever wondered how blogging business really works? Do you know that, as a blogger, you can become a millionaire? Do you know you can become a blogger and change your financial condition? Have you heard about the richest Nigerian blogger, Linda? Linda, the richest Nigerian blogger, owns a blog with an estimated net worth above $700,000. Do you wish to learn how Linda and other richest Nigerian bloggers are making money online from their blog? Alright, I have a good news for you. Have you heard about Fishprograma? Fishprograma, the best online hustling tutorial platform, organizes a one-week free mentorship program. In this program, you will be learning how to create a profitable blogging website, how to generate cash from your blog, how to get thousands of people visiting your blog. Fishprograma has just concluded a week mentorship series with BAT. All classes are conducted via WhatsApp and Telegram. Admission into this program is currently opened and will last for few days. Hurry up and join now. Join via the link in description of this video. Use referral code for faster